So now here we are going to talk about the reversed function, which is also a system function. So what this one does is usually used in a loop. So in a loop, as you're working in your loop, you will have, for example, I have a list here called task, which has laundry, lunch, gardening, and cooking. Now, if I say for a task in reversed tasks, what this reversed function is going to do, it's going to reverse for me this list. So when it reverses for me this list, means that the first thing it's going to print out will be cooking, gardening, lunch, and then laundry. So that's how the reversed function works. It's a system function, and it is usually used in a loop, and it reverses a function. It reverses an iterable, which means that it reverses usually a list, because if you try the tuple is immutable. So it's going to reverse for me the items in this, what do they call it, in this list. So if I run the code, you can see that it reversed for me, meaning that cooking became the first, gardening, lunch, and then laundry. So it did for me a reversed list. So thank you for watching.